The Outdoor GreatRoom Company has been around for over 20 years. We are reliable and trusted by both that consumer and professional. Our tagline is "Bring home outside." We are very proud of our manufacturing located in Lakeville, Minnesota. We offer over 40 different styles of fire pit tables. Whether you like concrete, metal, wicker, we have all of that available for you. When people have a very special look that they like, whether it's farmhouse, minimalistic, traditional, you name it, we look at what interior designers are looking at trends inside and bring it outside. That consumer gets a seamless look throughout their whole home. Woodland Direct, they have great customer service, not only with just the end consumer, but with that landscape pro and contractor. They have over 20 NFI certified sales representatives. They're probably the strongest company we work with. We're very confident in Woodland Direct creating a great buying experience to help our customers from start to finish, no matter if it's on the site or on a phone call. Our burner technology, Crystal Fire Plus, is really something we're very proud of. You get a beautiful flame. We have quite a few options, whether you want a fire pit table, a fire pit that may be just concrete, or you want a burner to build your own. We can help you customize your project. It's important to us that people are able to enjoy fire safely. We help that in making sure all of our fire is UL certified. Our goal is to give our customer the best outdoor experience with premium products at competitive price.